Watching an algorithm animate is powerful. But can you actually code it yourself? That's where Type It mode comes in. AlgoVision's Type It feature strips out the solution code and gives you guided comments instead. You type the implementation from memory, building real muscle memory for the patterns. No more blanking out during an interview. You've practiced writing the code, not just reading it. And it's not just Type It. Every problem has a step-by-step trace mode where you can walk through one operation at a time. See exactly when the pointer moves, when the hash map inserts, when the recursion returns. Adjustable speed lets you slow down the hard parts and speed through what you already know. There's even a built-in whiteboard for sketching out your approach before you code. It's the complete interview prep workflow in one platform. 35 problems live, 75 plus planned, new problems every week. Try it free at ifusionsoft.com/algovision. Go pro for $15 a month.